Lucidchart's dynamic shapes are an easy and fast way to make sense of your data in the form of a dashboard, presentation, or anything else. Lucidchart's event planning dashboard template shows the high-level status of tasks that need to be completed for an upcoming event. Let's take a closer look at this dashboard to see how you can use Lucidchart's progress bar and donut shapes to see more and do more. To customize the data in this template, create a copy of the attached data file to use as a template. Edit the spreadsheet to fit your needs. Notice that the spreadsheet has a unique ID column. Although a column that contains unique information is not required, it is useful to include as it acts like a reference key and will make it easier for Lucidchart to map your data to shapes. There are other ways you can create a column with unique information, and it could include things like employee IDs, order numbers, country codes, or other unique information. Once you are done editing the spreadsheet, go back to your Lucidchart document and click on the Manage Data icon and select Replace Data Set. Another option to customize the data is to upload your own data sheet and follow these same steps. Now that our data is imported, we can use dynamic shapes to build our dashboard. Go to the toolbox and drag out any shape found in the dynamic shape library. If this library isn't already in the toolbox, you can search for it in the Library Shape Manager. Now that the dynamic shape you want to use is on the canvas, use the Advanced option bar to customize it. All dynamic shapes need a minimum, maximum, and value number to adjust the fill color. You can either use custom values, shape data, or formulas to identify your min, max, and value numbers. In this example, we used custom data to identify our min and max numbers, and shape data to identify our value number. Once you decide what type of data is going to drive your dynamic shapes, format them the way you would like. Another way to use our progress bar is to use it directly on shapes using our conditional formatting feature. Go to the dock on the right-hand side of the editor and click the conditional formatting icon. Create your new rule. Then select progress bar as your formatting type. Complete the same steps we discussed while editing the actual progress bar shape to identify your minimum, maximum, and value numbers. Make other adjustments to your progress bar, such as auto-hiding it if data is missing, customizing the colors, and choosing its position on the shape. Apply the rule to all shapes on the page or to specific shapes you have selected. Once you've made all the adjustments to this template, you can share, present, or download your diagram for others to see. Make sure to check out our other templates in our template gallery to learn how Lucidchart can help you see more and do more.